Hi and welcome to beautiful Kilkenny. Make sure you take a good look down at the beautiful countryside here and enjoy your Bank of Ireland 360 ploughing experience. We're just flying over the O'Reilly farm in Ballyracket now, where we're going to meet James O'Reilly and he's going to have you ploughing the field.
Hi, over here. Turn around, that's it. Welcome to the O'Reilly farm. I'm James O'Reilly and I farm here with my dad Larry. Now I'm going to go with you on the tractor today, so let's get the plough hooked up. Let's drop the plough first, just pressing this blue button here. This tractor has a 240 horsepower engine and we're using a 4-furrow reversible plough here. Alright, now we're ready to take off. Watch the ditch on your right there. Well done. Now keep looking around you at the plough and keep looking in front of you where you're going as well. That's it. Look at the neighbour passing up there on the right hand side of the road. That's it, nice and steady. Keep her straight. And don't forget to look at your plough. Look all around you. You can see how straight you're ploughing there. And let's have a closer look at the plough work. The depth of the plough is 9 inches and the width of the furrow is 18 inches. Fair play and well done. You've ploughed 156 metres today. Thanks for your help and best of luck. Oh, and don't forget to enter the Bank of Ireland competition.